The inaugural Jamaica Classic basketball tournament tipped off at the Montego Bay Convention Center today. The tournament features 7 universities from the United States playing over 3 days in the second city. Our reporter Jordan Fort is at the Montego Bay Convention Center and joins us live. Jordan?
Thank you very much, Karen. As you said, history is being created here in Montego Bay at the Montego Bay Convention Center. It's the inaugural Jamaica Classic. It's the first ever NCAA tournament being staged in Jamaica, anywhere on Jamaican soil. So quite historic indeed. What you're seeing behind me actually is the second game of a triple header between Florida State University and Fordham University. We're actually in second half action right now in that one. Earlier, Tulane University, they beat Colorado State University 80-53. It was really a no contest in that one. I actually spoke to the coach of Tulane University, Mike Dunleavy Sr. Now, if you're an NBA fan, that name would ring a bell to you. Mike Dunleavy Sr. coached a number of years in the National Basketball Association, coaching teams such as the LA Lakers, the LA Clippers, Milwaukee Bucks, and so on. Quite a decorated coach, Mike Dunleavy, and he spoke about what it was like to play here for the very first time on Jamaican soil.
It was a great win for us. Colorado State coming in had been playing very well. They really have been beating people up on the boards. They were winning the rebound game by about 15 per game, and offensive rebounds over 6 or 7. And they had a big guy on the boards, was the leading rebounder in the country coming in, and they shoot the three pretty well. But I thought defensively our guys did a great job of contesting shots and boxing out, and it allowed us to get out and run, get up and down the floor, and put points on the board.
I also spoke to Coach Dunleavy about his plans about possibly recruiting any talent or looking for any possible talent out of Jamaica for his team.
We're here to win games, but we're always looking. I mean, if you look at, I've recruited 5 players over the last 2 years, and 4 of them are foreign. So we look everywhere. My recruiting base is all over the world. So if there are good Jamaican players, we would definitely recruit them.
Chris Kumachi.
All right, so of course, Mike Dunleavy, Sr. there. I'm now joined by Mike Wolfert, who is the Senior Vice President of Business Development at Van Wagner Sports and Entertainment Company Limited. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks, Jordan. We're really excited to be here.
All right, what's it been like so far? This is the second game of a triple header. What's it been like so far in Jamaica?
Well, it's been wonderful. It's a beautiful country, of course, and certainly here in Montego Bay. And, in a new tournament like this, there's a lot of logistics that go into it. So just nice to know we got the first games off the ground after almost 3 or 4 years of planning going into this. So it's we're glad it's going smoothly, and we got some great competition out here.
And you tell me you plan to do this for a very long time to come?
Yes, we're committed to being here for 10 years, and we really want to see this grow and go to the next level. And we really hope that the Jamaican community will, of course, get engaged and become a bigger event here, and one with something you'll be proud of over the years.
And what are some of the potential benefits for Jamaica?
Yeah, well, certainly there's the economic impact piece of it. We're bringing 8 teams here, 7 this year. It'll be 8 teams in the future, and so they even if we just averaged 100 people per team, something like that, and then they come here for 5 or 6 days, you can do the math on what the economic impact will mean for hotels, restaurants, certainly the convention center itself here, and the local community in the area. So,
thank you very much for joining us.
You got it. Thank you so much. We appreciate having the opportunity.
All right, and of course, the third game of the triple header here at the Montego Bay Convention Center will be LIU Brooklyn taking on Miami of Ohio. For now, it's back to you in studio, Karen.